Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're going to show you how to factory data reset on your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here and search for the general management. There are options here, and scroll down, go to reset, scroll down, and there will be factory data reset. In this case, you reset your phone to its factory default setting. This will be erase all your data, including files and download apps. So be sure what to do that, because you lost everything from your phone, and that is the information about that. You will delete all this from your phone. You will delete all this account from your phone, and you will delete all this application. Yep. So if you know what you do it, you can reset it, place your PIN, and your phone will be erase all the data from your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.